What's up guys, and welcome to KW Customs. And this week, well this episode, because it's been a few weeks, it's time to get the BMW ready for Cleanfest. So, time for one of the last shows of the year, Cleanfest. We try and make it every year. The BMW, we've done a lot so far, but I think we need to make some changes before we go. Something a bit different, let's get on it. So, first job of the day, time to get some wheels. So here we've got some Vossens HF5s hybrid forged wheels, courtesy of Steve at Offset. So we decided to go for the 9.5 inch wide at the front and 11 at the back. So let's get these opened and see how they look. So we've just had a package delivered straight from China, same place we got the boot. A lot of people are not going to like this, but I'm building it for me. Let's check it out. Look like parts from Japan. Bonnet's fitted, few wee minor adjustments needed. We're going to head up to Autospec. They're going to PPF the boot and the bonnet the same as they did the roof, and then we're going to fling some wrap on there just to break it up a bit. So we just kind of help ourselves. We got the bonnet on. I wasn't happy with what we could see through the glass window, so let's see what we got. Nice package from Carbon Factory. As you see, I've already opened it. But we went for a carbon fibre engine cover. Might modify it a wee bit, put some accents in it. But that should spruce some things up. That's right, you know it. We couldn't stop there. More carbon's just been delivered. Can you guess what it is yet? We've been talking about it for a long time. Let's go unbox it. What have we got, Sam?
Shite.
Carbon shite.
Bit carbon.
So you've seen the wheels, however we didn't like the colour, we needed them brighter. So we're just about to bring them in, they've just been redone. Let's get them ceramic coated and get them on the car. So before we put the wheels on, we're going to ceramic coat the calipers. We've got IGL wheel coating. We gave these a good clean beforehand. This is just going to make it easier to maintain and keep cleaner for longer. Leave that on for a wee second and then we'll buff off. So that's the side skirts, diffuser and splitter all fitted. We've fitted the engine bay stuff. Is it time to see it? Check it out.
But you OJ. So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time to take it slow. Yes, overdue.
So there you have it. The BMW ready for cleanfest. That's probably going to be it for a while. We're going to get back onto the Hilux build after this one. But what do you think? Leave a comment, let us know what you think. Hit that subscribe button. Let's check it out. We have CT Carbon supplying us with diffuser, side skirts, front splitter, PSM style. We have the bonnet and then wrapped in Flexi Shield highlighter yellow. Wheels from Steve at Offset by Vossen, HS5s and then powder coated by Scot. We added the Instagram on it, and then obviously the bags that we never spoke about last time, supplied and fitted by Offset as well. We'll drop them a wee link. And then a big massive thanks to Autospec for PPFing the bonnet, the roof and the boot to keep it all protected. So come check it out at Cleanfest, and I'll see you there.